Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters with the speed shift tail on the back. Great for machines like Terrco, whomever has the drive plates made for those style of diamonds. Now, this will help you save money in the long run, not being married to a proprietary system. So if I were you, save some money for the end of the year. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the premium full bar shredders with the tapered edges. This is meant for machines like Lavina or whomever has a drive plate to accept the tapered style diamond. Now, this tool is made for coating removal, underlayments, anything that's a softer buildup, has a great life. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 3-inch 76mm 5-seg 30 grit grinding disc. This is a great tool for doing general prep. It has rounded edges, great for riding over lippage. It works wet or dry, has a heavy concentration of diamond, so it lasts longer, grinds faster. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 3-inch 76mm Buffalo polishing pad. Now, this is a pad that's been around the industry over a decade. It's gone over a couple of different names, Stallion, Mustang, and different molds. It's a wet or dry pad. It's phenomenal for stock removal and leaves a phenomenal shine. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the premium double button 16 grit hard bonds with the tapered edges. Great for machines like Lavina's or whoever has drive plates to accept that style of diamond. It's called premium because it holds a heavy concentration of diamond. It grinds faster, it grinds longer. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 7-inch 175mm Cobra Cup wheel. This is a phenomenal wheel for major stock removal, getting rid of any type of buildup or any type of adhesive. It's really going to remove it fast. It has a great life. It could do all types of projects. Message me now.